Wake up in the morning, time to rise, stretch out, open my eyes.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Gilda, and I am so grateful that you're here watching this video. If you're noticing leaks, a sense of heaviness, or core weaknesses associated with menopause, this video is for you. In this pelvic floor exercise routine, we're using a resistance band and including a series of squat exercises to help build stability, promote strength, and support your pelvic floor. If you're interested in exploring ways to feel more confident and in control, let's jump in and get started. Let's begin our pelvic floor workout by warming up the lower body with squat to toe touch exercise for 45 seconds. View the upper right corner of this video for a modified version of each exercise. This movement actively engages key muscles that support the pelvic floor, including the glutes, inner thighs, and lower abdomen. You're also activating and increasing blood flow to the large muscle groups around the hips and pelvis, which helps prepare these supported muscles for a more focused pelvic floor workout. Finish strong as we're approaching our 5-second countdown. Now grab your band and place it carefully around your thighs, just above your knees. Our first exercise in the workout is banded squats. As you lower into the squat, push your knees gently outward against the band. This will help activate our glutes and outer hips while supporting your pelvic floor. Remember to keep your chest lifted and core engaged throughout each rep for maximum benefit. Keeping your core tight improves abdominal strength and posture, which is essential for pelvic floor health. Maintaining a lifted chest and proper form encourages flexibility in the lower body and promotes balance throughout the movement. Lower the band from your thighs just above the ankles for our second exercise, banded crab walk. At the sound of the bell, engage your core and squat into the starting position with your chest forward. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart and keep your knees aligned with your toes. As you start to step sideways, slowly maintain tension in the band, keeping low throughout. Remember to maintain steady breathing during the exercise to promote optimal oxygen circulation in the bloodstream. And keep the shoulders relaxed for proper form. Move the band to your thighs for lateral step out squat. Step to one side, squat, then repeat on the other side. Keep your chest up and breathe. Lateral movements combined with squatting engage the muscles surrounding the pelvis, helping to strengthen and support the pelvic floor. As you can see, this exercise requires coordination, which can be challenging. Just do your best and make any adjustments if needed. Stepping out against the resistance band activates the gluteus maximus and outer hip muscles, which contribute to pelvic stability. Keep the band in place for our fourth exercise, squat jumps. This exercise includes some cardio and power. Feel free to use the modification or take a rest if needed. Remember to breathe steadily throughout as the exercise challenges your endurance. Squat jumps, when performed with the resistance band, not only boost your heart rate and develop explosive strength, but also engages the pelvic floor muscles as you stabilize your core and control your landing. This is the last exercise in round 1. Then we will repeat the last 4 exercises one more time. As you catch your breath and prepare for round 2, don't forget to stay hydrated. If you need more time to rest, feel free to pause this video. Let's begin our second round of squats. Remember to breathe and keep your chest up. Focus on maintaining good form, driving through your heels as you rise, and staying mindful of your core and pelvic stability. Each repetition should be controlled and strong, allowing you to build both power and endurance in your lower body while supporting your pelvic floor. Keep a steady pace, and if at any point you need a modification or a quick pause, listen to your body and adjust as needed to stay challenged yet safe. Carefully position your band down above your ankles for crab walks. As you lower into a squat, engage your core and step laterally, leading with your heel to maintain steady resistance. Focus on staying low, keeping your chest up, and moving with control to maximize glute and hip activation. As you move through each side step, maintain awareness of your pelvic alignment and core engagement. With 30 seconds remaining, feel free to adjust your depth or use the modification provided. We're almost halfway done with the second round. Try to keep your form strong and breathing steady. Move the band to your thighs for lateral step-out squats. We are at exercise 3 of 4 in round 2 of this workout. Remember, this exercise requires coordination, so if you find it challenging, you can always go to the modification. As you move through each step out, focus on leading with your heel, maintaining a slight squat position, and keeping your chest lifted to support proper form and maximize lower body engagement. Be mindful of your core and pelvic alignment, ensuring controlled movements to enhance stability and muscle activation. Keep your breathing steady and make adjustments or take a brief pause if needed. Prioritize quality of movement and safety throughout as we approach the final stretch. Do your best to stay strong as we prepare for the final exercise in this workout, squat jumps. As you get ready, focus on keeping your core engaged, chest up, and landing softly to protect your joints. This last movement is designed to elevate your heart rate and challenge your lower body power, so maintain control throughout each jump. Listen to your body for any needed adjustments. Finish this round with intention, celebrating your effort and commitment to good form and mindful movement. Remind yourself how far you've come in this session. Every jump brings you closer to your goals. Power through each rep, knowing that this last movement is designed to elevate your heart rate and challenge your lower body power. So maintain control throughout each jump and listen to your body for any needed modifications. Well done on finishing this pelvic floor workout. Next, we'll start our cool down to stretch your muscles and bring your heart rate down. Let's do a couple of hip circles in each direction. Next, we'll do a frog squat or just a regular squat with a rotation. And let's go to the other side. Feel that nice stretch. Let's come up and shake it out for a minute. And lower back down. And repeat. After this last stretch, let's come back up and do a couple of hip circles in each direction. As you move forward, remember that regular movement and mindful engagement of your pelvic and core muscles can make a meaningful impact on your well-being during this important stage of your life. Remember to stay hydrated, appreciate your dedication, and look forward to continued progress with each session.